In the 1980s, scientists observed a strange pattern in some bacterial genomes. One DNA sequence would be repeated over and over again with unique sequences in between the repeats. My name is Lena, and today I am going to tell you what CRISPR is and how amazing it is. First of all, what is CRISPR? It is a segment of the DNA containing short repetitions of base sequences. It is associated with protein to edit the base pairs of a gene. It comes from strep bacteria, which is naturally occurring. So if you put CRISPR into a human gene, it is not an artificial, it is naturally occurrent. CRISPR stands for clustered, regularly interspaced, short, palindromic repeats. Those repeats are found in bacteria's DNA. There are also copies of small pieces of viruses. Next, I will tell you how amazing CRISPR is. Did you know CRISPR can cure about 7 diseases? That is the amazing part of it. It could cure cancer, blood disorders, AIDS, HIV, cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, Huntington's disease, blindness, and many others. For people who have cancer or blood disorders, researchers remove some of a person's cell, edit the DNA, and then inject the cells back, now hopefully armed to fight the disease. Researchers are also set to see how CRISPR works inside the human body. People with an inherited blindness will have the molecular scissors injected into their eyes. This is a potential way to cure blindness with using CRISPR. It is incredibly powerful. According to the molecular biologist Jason Schelzer, it has brought a revolution to day-to-day life in most laboratories. How does it affect? It helps people to cure diseases, to have a better life. It can lower medical expenses, lower insurance costs, and they can live longer. If we implement it massively, it will lead to better healthcare since more people will have more access to it. And it represents advancement in preventative medicine. If they have less people in hospitals, that means that there will be more quality patient care. Hospitals or doctors could be less overwhelmed. Doctors give them an opportunity to research and genetically determine diseases and investigate other ways to cure the disease. So people who don't have access to CRISPR can receive other alternative treatment for the disease. CRISPR is more efficient than current gene-altering technologies. Such a gene therapy for cancer treatment, which takes longer to make an effect in a human body. CRISPR is also cheaper than gene therapy. There may be off-target effects in CRISPR, but they're incredibly rare. It is worth the risk since the benefits outweighs the bad. I have told you some of the backstory of what CRISPR is and how amazing it is, that it could cure about 7 diseases. I hope it was interesting for those who did not know what CRISPR is. It is a very interesting topic. Thank you for listening.